Mag 7 stocks bouncing back today after another rough week for tech, and the Mag 7 index still down 12% for the year. D.A. Davidson upgrading one name to a buy, though, Microsoft. D.A. Davidson's Gil Luria joins me now. Gil, why'd you upgrade Microsoft?
Well, two reasons. One is that there's a really big sea shift in the market between consumer as a driver and enterprise technology as a driver. And since Microsoft has the better exposure to enterprise technology, it's now our favorite Mag 6. For the last couple of years, the consumer's been very strong and enterprise technology spending has been under pressure. Now that the consumer is the weaker part of the market, that means we want more exposure to the leading company in enterprise technology, and that's Microsoft. So that's the first reason. The second reason is that Microsoft has gotten a lot more disciplined around CapEx. That's been the main concern for the last 6 months. And now Microsoft is A, guided for less CapEx growth, and then B, Satya Nadella went out there and said he's going to start leasing out more of the capacity. And then C, we found out this week exactly what he's doing, which is he's putting his overflow capacity on CoreWeave and on Oracle. And so that way he doesn't have to take on that CapEx while Microsoft continues to get all the revenue from inferencing from OpenAI. They don't have to build data centers for OpenAI to increasingly train bigger and bigger data centers. So Microsoft is much more disciplined on CapEx. And since the stock has been the worst performer among the Mag 6 the last 6 months, it's actually trading at much more reasonable multiples right now.
So, but here I wonder if investors should take pause, given Apple's well-publicized struggles getting Apple Intelligence, its AI version, out the door. Promised this year, bumped to next year. If Apple can't figure this piece out, and there's a whole big app ecosystem that would follow on and build on top of AI if they were to roll it out, should investors think differently about how quickly some of these software companies, some of these app companies are going to be able to take advantage of these hardware and platform advantages that AI is promising?
Well, that's exactly right. If anybody's expecting these applications to emerge right away and drive a lot of activity, they will be disappointed. In Apple's case, that's okay. We're still going to buy iPhones. That upgrade cycle, it's not going to go away. It's just getting pushed out. And in Microsoft's case, their customers will continue to try to build solutions, will continue to try to experiment, to trial, to roll out different products. And as long as they're trying and they're working towards that, they need to use Microsoft Azure and the AI tools there. So Microsoft will continue to get those volumes regardless of when we start getting applications that work.
So then how much of a potential tech industry catalyst, or I don't know what you want to call it, it might not be a catalyst, will NVIDIA's GTC be? Because they're not just talking about their own product, they're showcasing the possibilities involved with building on top of their technology.
That's right. So next week, GTC is the big event of AI for the year. Let's not forget, NVIDIA not only facilitates most of the progress in AI through their products, but is also really trying hard to cultivate the entire ecosystem around AI. They're going to promote LLM model companies. They're going to promote robotics companies. They're even going to promote quantum companies at a quantum day next week. And so they're trying to plant the seeds for these companies to leverage the NVIDIA product set to deliver more growth. So we're going to hear a lot more about that, and we'll hear more about NVIDIA's new products. Blackwell Ultra, Rubin that'll come out next year. And NVIDIA has a great opportunity to get the ecosystem excited about what can get built, even if it will take time.